Hello friends, if your door does not open from the inside. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Then, in this case, there is a child door lock button on the floor. Now I show you. This button. It somehow went from the open position to the lock position. We change the position of the button and everything starts working. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.